My name is Laksh and I am a student of advanced level at Paragon Academy, Badin. So today my presentation topic is that the government sector and private sector. In my opinion is that the government sector is better than the private sector. First of all, I am going to talk about the government sector. Like that we have a government school. In my school that I have already studied in government school, that we have an example of my school. That in my school there are so many new furniture and new teachers. They are masters in their subjects and multimedia projectors and computers and so big classrooms and new furniture come and we have so many teachers and my school is that in my opinion government school are so better than the private school. And second one is that there's government hospitals. That government hospitals have so many facilities like that we have a go in government hospitals. There are so many ICU rooms and big rooms and new doctors come. And opposite the I am going to talk about the private sectors. That in private school, that private school have no any facilities like that. They have teachers. They have like I said in 10th or 12th class. And in private school there's no fan work, and there's no new furnitures and there's no any kind of technology like the multimedia projectors and other chemicals for experiments, no computers. And same to same we are going to like a private hospital. That there's a name of private hospital where there is no any facility, but they get more extra fees than the government. But the government like that government hospitals are free, also private hospitals get money. Because nowadays the private hospitals are not good. My opinion is that. Thank you.